Take a look, girls. I called Mama to wake you up so you can see the snow. People in my neighborhood were having snowball fights. Look earlier. Look at all the snow on my car. Look at this, big enough to make a snowball. Girls, this is real snow that you're missing. It breaks up. It's light. It's fluffy. This is amazing. People have never ever seen this here in Texas. See that? Real snow all over the neighborhood. All over the cars. Can't really see it all over the grass. Look at this car covered all over with snow. Man, this is so hard to see. I need a light. Covered with snow. This car covered with snow. The grass. This car covered with snow. See what I'm talking about? Can't see the windshields covered with snow. This is what's going on, girls. Good night.